Hi everybody, it's John from Braunton Fine & Country, and today we are at Elm Tree House, which is a brand new built 5 double bedroom, just shy of 4,000 square foot family home here in Pippacott, 15 minutes from the coast, Braunton and Barnstable. This stunning opportunity is a real individual chance to buy something with an agricultural feel and a brand new efficiency as well. The property has been thoughtfully designed with architects and the current builders in mind, with fantastic features throughout that you will find nowhere else. This property really is an individual opportunity for someone and has fantastic features throughout, including this striking curvature porch, which you'll note is a feature throughout the property as well. So let's take a look inside. And here we are in the main living space and the open plan kitchen, dining, living room. So here we have is a beautiful high specification kitchen with Carrera Gold quartz worktops with a roll top finish to the floor for a seamless blend and quality. There's under counter lighting, bespoke ovens and sink with cougar tap, and concealed helpful units and rooms either side with a utility and a pantry as well. Here I'm stood in what will be the living area, which has a natural divide with purpose-built sunken ceiling to divide the room naturally, with a low-key light as well, and has beautiful large sliding doors looking out over the panoramic countryside views as well. Being a brand new built home, the property offers fantastic eco-credentials such as solar panels and NVHR units, allowing for air purity and circulation throughout the property as well. This, combined with the air source heating, makes for an efficient, comfortable and all year round home, with underfloor heating to the ground floor and the first floor, allowing for seamless blends to the rooms with no radiators obstructing. The accommodation is impressive and offers great versatility throughout, allowing for home working with 2 useful office spaces that could be used as playrooms as well for younger children. And there are 5 bedrooms throughout, with 2 staircases, meaning that the 5th bedroom can be used as a self-contained unit for a loved one, with its own acoustic panelling to the room to allow for sound cancellation, and a large double suite with roll-top bath to the bedroom as well, and an impressive ensuite bedroom with walk-in wardrobe as well. If you want to use all of the accommodation as an open family, there's a bridge connecting the 2 ends of the house, with a seamless divide with glass balustrades and large lights to the top coming through from a round window, all part of this design and specification to make this a true light and airy home throughout. The main bedroom is very impressive. It has a large walk-in wardrobe space left open for the new owner to put their own custom stamp on, and panoramic views over the countryside as well. Outside of Elm Tree, you are greeted with a sweeping driveway with gated entrance and pillars, leading to an extensive parking area for multiple vehicles and caravans or motorhomes, and large banks of lawn breaking up the hardscaping and small feather edge fencing as well. There's a double garage outside as well with 2 electric roller doors and interconnecting to the house. And here we are in the rear garden, which as you can see is a really good proportion to the rest of the accommodation, giving that fine balance between comfort of maintenance and a good sized space as well, with a good patio area immediately off the living space and panoramic countryside views to the rear. It's a true definition of a balanced lawn and garden area. And there we have it. That concludes the video tour here for Elm Tree House. As you can see, it is a stunning and fantastic proportioned countryside home with modern living defined to a T, perfectly placed for the coast, Braunton and Barnstable as well. So if you'd like to view inside, give us a call on 01271 818 121.